Top 5 myths about being a cabin crew member. Cabin crew is all about luxury and glamour. Cabin crew only serve food and beverages on board. Once you become a cabin crew, there is no growth further. Cabin crew are very beautiful. You need to have a very good height and need to look certain way to be a cabin crew. Cabin crew have very easy working hours and they have relaxed schedule. To get further details about myths, pros and cons of being a cabin crew member, follow Skypath Skills.